Welcome to TechCaliper channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete cache and junk files from Windows 11. Go to Start, right click on it, go to Run, and search for temp. Click on OK. From here, select a single file. Click on Ctrl A to select all the files. Right click on it. Go to More Options. Click on Shift and press Delete. This will permanently delete all the files. Click on OK. Click on Do this for all items. Click on Skip. Then go to Start again. Go to Run. Then type prefetch. Click on OK. Do the same thing here. Select a single file. Click on Ctrl A. Select all the files. Then right click on it. Click on Shift and press Delete. Click on Yes. Then go to Start again. Go to Run and type %temp %. Click on OK. Select all the files again. Right click on it. Click on Shift and press Delete. Click on Yes. Just wait for it to delete all the files. And here click on Do this for all current items and click on Skip. After that, close this. Go to Run one last time and search for clean mgr. Click on OK. Select the drive you want to clean, then press OK. Tick all the boxes. Click on OK. Click on Delete Files. After that, you don't need to do anything, just sit back and it will clean your files. And that is how to clean junk files and cache files from Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.